Hello there. So a mixed setup across the UK as we go through the rest of this Saturday. You can see on the satellite and radar from earlier, we did start off with a lot of cloud, especially across more western and northern parts, and has been a fair few showers here too. Now, as we go through the rest of the day, further showers at times across the north, especially across parts of Scotland. Here they could be heavy and thundery in places too, accompanied by some fairly blustery winds. Elsewhere across much of England and Wales throughout today, quite breezy, the odd shower here and there, but for most of us it will be dry with some bright or sunny spells and feeling warm and humid, especially across the east. Highs today 26, possibly even 27 degrees. Now, if you're heading out throughout tonight, some clear skies at first, especially across more southern and eastern areas. You can see across the north, though, thicker cloud here, and by the end of the night, rain working its way into Scotland and Northern Ireland, and not quite as muggy as last night. Temperatures between 9 and 13 degrees. Hello again. Well, it has been another warm and muggy day across some southern and eastern parts throughout this afternoon, but all of that will be swept out of the way as we go through the next 24 hours or so. We've got low pressure in charge of things. It's going to allow a weak cold front to work its way across the UK. That would bring in some slightly fresher air and some fairly brisk northwesterly winds with it too. Now, coming back to the rest of this evening and tonight, well, if you are heading out, still a chance of the odd shower, but for most of us it will be dry, especially across England and Wales tonight with some clear skies, staying quite muggy across the far south, but further north feeling fresher here, and by the end of the night, rain sneaking its way into parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. So a wet start to the day here on Sunday morning. Elsewhere, some lovely spells of sunshine, and you can see as the day progresses, some thicker cloud, a few showers here and there. They will be blustery in places and feeling a little bit fresher than it has been out there today. This time we're looking at highs at 22 degrees. Bye-bye. Hello and a very good evening to you. Hope you're all keeping well. So the changeable theme continues as we go through the next few days. You can see we've got low pressure dominating as we move through Sunday. That's going to be pushing some showery rain across northern parts. And then behind it, it's a mixture of sunshine and showers, slightly fresher temperatures and blustery winds too. Now, coming back to the rest of the overnight period, well, fairly quiet for many. The clear skies across England and Wales, but you can see by the end of the night, further rain working its way into Scotland and Northern Ireland, and that's how we start things on Sunday morning. So showery rain at first across more northern and western parts. That moves out of the way, and then behind it, going to see a mixture of sunshine and blustery showers. It's certainly be quite windy, especially across parts of Scotland. Could be looking at gales here. Further south and east, though, the driest and the brightest of conditions. But what you'll notice about tomorrow, not quite as humid as today and a little bit fresher. Expecting highs this time up to around 22 degrees. Bye-bye.